Imagine turning a simple idea in your head into a full video with sound without touching any code. What if I told you Google has a free tool that can do all of that for you? In just a few clicks, you can build your own AI video generator and start creating videos like this in minutes. Let me show you how.
The first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Opal Google and then click on it. Click on Try Opal at the bottom using your Google account. And I use the Google account that I primarily use just for creating social media content. So this is Google's new AI tool. Okay, guys, as you can see down below, they have different templates to build different apps. Go to the top and click on Create New, and we're going to build it from scratch, okay? I'm going to start right here. I already have my prompt, and so I'm going to put it right here. This prompt is going to bring my idea to life, okay? And this is powered by Google's Veo 3 and will give us videos with sound. So the next thing you want to do is hit the enter button. Please follow my steps to avoid that error with Opal, because if you put in the wrong prompt in the generator, such as just create me a video generator, you will most likely not be able to create a video from it. Okay guys, so here are the notes it gave us, the video idea from the prompt, the mood, the visual style, video link. Okay, to get started, you're gonna click on start, and I'm gonna type in a young boy riding on the back of a tiger in a jungle at sunset, and then click the enter button, okay? Then it's gonna ask us about the mood. I'm gonna put cinematic, hit generate, and the visual will be photorealistic cinematic, then hit generate again. And the duration will be 8 seconds, hit generate again. So this is the video that it gave us. You can see the quality is good, the bright colors. It did exactly what I asked it to do. The download button, okay? And it'll pop up. Do not download it down here because it will not create a MP4 file, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? Here on the platform, nothing has changed, and I'm going to ask it to do something else for me. Okay, so I have over here, real briefly, a glossy red sports car that does 2 donuts on an empty multi-lane highway at night, kicking up tire smoke, bright sparks. Okay, I'm going to hit the generate button again. Cinematic, visual style. Video looks pretty good. I'm going to expand it, okay? Now that I taught you how to create free AI generated videos, please remember to like and share and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.